everyone, welcome to vlog number 3 with the Maritime Meisters. We're really excited today because we're checking out one of our favorite trails, so the Vultures Bluff trail. And extra excited because this will be the first time that I'll be using my drone in one of these videos. This is my new toy. So I'm excited to show you what we can do with this and excited to travel this trail with you. Let's get going.
Here.
So Vultures Bluff, it's about a 3.5 kilometer hike, and about 1.5 kilometers up to the bluff, 1.5 kilometers back, but it's another beautiful view. We're excited to show it to you.
We're really in love, you can't tell. I look like Rudolph.
So it looks like once again we're going to be breaking a trail up here.
We have one set of footprints to follow.
Yeah.
We'll see how well that works.
We had a casualty on the trail. Okay, get up. So we reached the top of Vultures Bluff, and just wait till we get beyond these trees. You can see the view, and we're here at the perfect time. Like, holy cow! Sun's just about to set over the hill. It's like this beautiful reddish glow. Amazing. So pretty.
So this is the way that we came. We were originally going to go back that way because this way is all just snow. So we're going to hit the snowmobile trails again, but we decided to risk it for the biscuit and we're going to take the other way. So come with me.
Great place to start.
Maybe I'm regretting risking it for the biscuit, but the part where Daniel's standing seems to be better.
Make it back to the snowmobile trail. So it looks like we're gonna make it back just as the sun's setting. So perfectly timed. So the sunset seems like a good place to end this video. We've almost reached the end of the trail. So thanks for joining us, and make sure to join us for the next adventure with the Maritime Meisters. And if you've reached this point, please take the time, the couple seconds, to subscribe, like the video, and let us know in the comments below what you thought. But we'll see you next time.
I'm taking over this vlog now. I'm leaving Daniel in the dust. Wait, can you see him? It's the Emmeline show. I just have to say, this sunset looks great on my skin. This is the lighting. This is the lighting. Model. Let's go. I'm on a walk. Follow me. Follow me.
So we're in the wild right now, and we came across ferocious Emmeline. Will she attack?